Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the geography class. This is the second part of chapter number 12, Eclipses and Major Temperature Zones. In this session, we'll read about major temperature zones of the earth. All parts of the earth do not receive equal amount of heat from the sun. As we know that the earth axis, which is an imaginary line that passes through the globe from North Pole to South Pole, is tilted, and hence different places on the earth receives different amount of sunlight. Places where the sun rays falls directly are very hot, and the places that receives slanting rays of the sun are less hot. Places close to the equator places that are close to equator, they get direct rays of the sun, so they are very hot. And as we move towards the north or the south of the equator, the variation in amount of the sunlight increases. It means the places in lower latitude are hot, and whereas the places in higher latitude are cold. And due to this reason, there are different climates and seasons. The whole earth is divided into 3 temperature zones, and they are Torrid Zone, Temperate Zone and Frigid Zone. So let's learn about the Torrid Zone first. Torrid Zone or Hot Zone, it is also known as Hot Zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn in both the hemisphere, 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degrees south. Torrid means hot. It is the hottest region of the earth, and in the torrid zone, the rays of the sun falls vertically throughout the whole year. It's near the equator, and therefore this zone experiences maximum amount of heat, and major part of our country comes in this zone. The zone comprises most of Africa, Southern Asia, Indonesia, New Guinea, Northern Australia, Southern Mexico, Central America and Northern South America. All these places that lie in the torrid zone. Next is temperate zone, or we can call it as moderate zone. Temperate zone or moderate zone lie between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. In the northern hemisphere, 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north. Between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle is the southern hemisphere, 23.5 degrees south to 23.5 degree south, 66.5 degree south. It experiences slanting rays of the sun throughout the year, and this region has moderate temperature, and it is neither too hot nor too cold. Moderate conditions of temperature makes these areas delightful for living. The North Temperate Zone comprises Great Britain, Europe, Northern Asia, North America, Northern Mexico. The Southern Temperate Zone comprises Southern Australia, New Zealand, Southern South America and Southern Africa. The next zone is frigid or extremely cold zone. The frigid zone or the polar regions. It lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, 66.5 degree north, and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere, 66 degree and half in south. The sun's rays are very slanting, so these regions are very cold, and these are the coldest region of the earth's surface as they get minimum solar energy. The north frigid zone or Arctic zone, it comprises the northern part of Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Scandinavia, Russia, and the Arctic Oceans in the north. South frigid zone, the Antarctic, comprises of the continent of Antarctica, the southern tip of Chile and Argentina, the South Island of the New Zealand and Tasmania. So these were the few temperature zones that are found on the earth. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.